Hi friends, this is Chandrasekhar Panda. Welcome to you to my channel Pharmaceutical Updates. So in today's topic we will discuss the basic questions and answers related to the dissolution test. So what is dissolution? Dissolution is the process by which a solid substance enters into a liquid known as the dissolution medium or solvent to form a solution. Dissolution is a test which is used for a pharmaceutical product to evaluate the rate of release of a drug substances from the dosage form. A dissolution test is performed for the dosage form like tablet, capsules, granules, ointment, creams, etc. to check the percentage of drug release. How drug dissolution occur in body? In the body, a pharmaceutical active ingredients must be in solution before it can be absorbed by the blood and ultimately carried to the receptor site to render a therapeutic effect. Solid oral dosage forms typically begin to disintegrate and dissolve in the stomach, and then resulting solution passes into the small intestine where dissolution continues. The dissolved active ingredient is absorbed into the bloodstream through the walls of the small intestine. How dissolution test is performed? The drug is placed within the medium in the vessels after it has reached sufficient temperature, and then the dissolution apparatus is operated. Sample solutions collected from dissolution testing are commonly analyzed by HPLC or ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. Why is dissolution test required? Dissolution tests are performed to establish drug that active pharmaceutical ingredients release characteristics of solid oral products such as tablets and capsules. The rationale for conducting these tests is that for a product to be therapeutically effective, the drug must be released from the product and should generally be dissolved in the fluid of the gastrointestinal GI tract. The API in solution form facilitates the absorptions of the drug from the GI tract into the systematic blood circulation to reach its desired target site of actions to exert its effect. What are the types of dissolution apparatus as per USP? USP dissolution apparatus 1, that is basket. USP dissolution apparatus 2, paddle. USP dissolution apparatus 3, reciprocating cylinder. USP dissolution apparatus 4, flow through cell. USP dissolution apparatus 5, paddle over disc. USP dissolution apparatus 6, rotating cylinder. Then USP dissolution apparatus 7, reciprocating disc. So what are the type of dissolution apparatus as per IP and BP? IP dissolution apparatus 1, that is paddle apparatus. IP dissolution apparatus 2, that is basket apparatus. BP or EP dissolution apparatus 1, basket apparatus. BP or EP dissolution apparatus 2, paddle apparatus. BP or EP dissolution apparatus 3, that is flow through cell. Which tablets are used in calibration of dissolution apparatus? Most of the company they are using disintegrating, that is prednisone tablets 50 mg, which are used in the calibration of dissolution test apparatus. For tablets dissolution, which apparatus is used? For tablet dissolution apparatus 1 with rotating basket and dissolution apparatus 2 with paddle is used. For capsules and suspensions, which dissolution apparatus is used? For capsules and suspensions, dissolution apparatus 2 with paddle is used. For extended release drug product, which dissolution apparatus is used? For extended release drug product, dissolution apparatus 3 with reciprocating cylinder is used. What is Q standard for dissolution? Q is the amount of dissolved active ingredients specified in the monograph, which is required to be released in stated time, expressed as a percentage of label strength. Then the batch of the tablet or capsule is acceptable if each unit is not less than Q plus 5%. If the initial sample analysis known as S1 or stage 1 testing fails to meet the acceptance value for Q, then additional testing known as stage 2 and 3 testing is required. S3 testing is performed only if S2 testing fails in Q parameter. If there is a deviation from the acceptance Q value at S3, then an out of specification investigation is generally initiated. What are the dissolution medium preparation? Dissolution medium to be prepared as specified in the monograph or as mentioned in the standard test procedure STP of respective product, and it should be filtered through 0.45 mm filter paper under vacuum and stirring. What is the pH of dissolution medium used? Drug absorption depends on dissolution, and the most absorption occurs in the intestine. So a medium should be aqueous, having pH in the range of 5 to 7 or 37 degrees centigrade. So thanks for watching this video. Please read, share and comment and subscribe my channel if you like this. Thanks.